cozy spot for the winter.
Right you are, old boy. Right you are.
I say, look at that.
Ah, more birds. This is my lucky day.
Songbirds wanted.
Me, 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 me. La, 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 dee, la, la, dee, dee, me, me, me.
Are we songbirds?
Get a couple of songbirds to sing out a song when you're in a doghouse and everything's wrong. A couple of songbirds, an old melody, will banish all your trouble with some sweet harmony. What an A clip. So don't waste a minute, yeah, I'll get him today to chase the blues away. Oh, there's really nothing to it. Yes, anyone can do it. Get a couple of songbirds today and not tomorrow. A couple of songbirds today and not next Tuesday. A couple of songbirds today. Get a couple of songbirds today. Get a couple of songbirds today and not tomorrow. A couple of songbirds. Hey, what is this? Now put your head on that block.
I say, do you know what he's talking about?
No, I don't know what he means.
I don't either.
I don't understand him.
I'll show you. Put your head down like this. What am I doing?
Entertainment, the most daring feat ever attempted. A death-defying dive into this small receptacle containing only 3 inches of water. Hello? Hello? Who? Yeah, he's here. It's for you.
Hello. Hello.
Screw ball in the side pocket.
anyone can do it. Get a couple of songbirds today.
I wouldn't advise it.
A couple of songbirds